Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah, Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa hlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today in PowerPoint presentation, we'll talk about text and graphics objects. So let's see, we will be doing like insert a graph, we'll be working on clip art, then we will try to modify the color, effect and styles. So we'll be working on formatting text, and then at the end we'll try to flip and rotate a shape. So let's start by inserting a graphic on the slide number 4. So what we'll be doing is we have to change the content to two contents, change the layout to two contents. We'll try to insert a picture, a glacier picture, and then we'll say insert. So let's go to the slide number 4. So the slide number 4, yeah, this is the slide number 4. So we have like one content, okay? So I can go to the layout, and I can see that, okay, this one is selected already. So I need to change it to two contents. So I change to two contents, and now I need to add a picture of glacier. So picture, insert a picture is this button. Click on that, and I can pick the glacier. Click insert. So I inserted a picture of the glacier. So let's go to the slide. We have next. The next thing we have is we already did so next thing is add a clip art on slide number 2. Okay, we have to do the same thing. We need to make two contents, insert online pictures, and then travel clip art. So let's see that. So on the slide number 2, we have title and a content layout. Sorry, title and content. I need to change the two contents. Okay, good. And now in this one, I can click on the online pictures. Okay, so this will take me to the website. It will search on the net. For example, I say travel, and I click enter. So it may give me a bitmap images or JPG pictures, or but I want the clip art. Okay, so I say I need a travel clip art. So let's see, is there any difference in that? There you go. So now we are having like different stuff. Okay, so let's pick one of them. Okay, so we are having so many pictures, so we can pick one of them, and then we can say, okay, I would like to go for this picture, for example. This one is fine. Click on that, it will be inserted. Now, so we inserted the picture on the slide. What we have, the next part. Now we need to format. We need to change the color. Okay, let's see how we can change the color. Format picture tool. So on this one, let's see we have any color part. Okay, so you can try different saturations and temperatures, different temperatures and saturations, so you can change whatever you like. So maybe this is no recolor, and then you can give red colors. And so let's take this one. Okay, so we change the color of the clip art. We need to align on the top as well. So we need to align both contents on the top. So if you see here, I can press shift, or I can press control as well and click on that. You see it is not aligned on the top. So what I can do is I can click on the format a picture tool, and I can say align on top. You see, so it's not aligned on the top. So let's go for the slide and see what we have next. Okay, now we need to go to the slide number 4. So first we need to align on the top, same as before, as we did for the clip art. And then we need to change the color of the picture of the glacier. So the temperature is 7200 K and the saturation is 66%. So we need to do three things, huh? Align, color, temperature, and saturation. So let's go. So on the glacier picture, we need to align on the top. So control click, I did that. So we have to go for the format picture tool, format, align on the top. Now I can click outside, I can click picture again. Color, I can go for the temperature. Temperature is like 7200. There you go. You see, it's a bit on the dim side. And now I can go for the saturation is 66%. If I go for 0%, it is black and white, little bit color, and then 66 is little bit more color, but close to the black and white. Huh? So we can try that one. And now let's see what we have next in. Okay, so we have to change the border, picture border with blue color, and weight is 3, and then we have to go for the shadow and crop the image. So again, three things we have to do. So let's go back. So I need to align. We already did the alignment. Okay, now what I can do is I can picture border. So I can add, first of all, let's add the weight. You see here the weight, when we add, it is like this. Now in the weight, I want to change the border of the weight. You see that the light blue, aqua is getting increased, and so I can put it like that. Number 3 is okay. So I have a light blue border of the picture. Another one is that we can crop the image, I think. Let's see. And we have to crop the shape to the oval. Okay, let's go and crop the shape. So crop shape to oval. There you go. You see that? By the way, you can give picture styles from here as well. You see here? There you go. You can give these shapes, whatever you like. You have the shadows, you have the tilted and blah blah blah, different stuff is there. But I like the one which oops, not this one. We missed that one, huh? I can do the undo part, and I can go back here. I can go and make the oval shape. There you go. So let's go and see on the next slide. Oh, we have to insert a shape. Okay, so you have to insert a shape, and then we have to add the text to the shapes as well. Okay, so let's go and insert a shape. So we are going to the slide number 7. Now in this one we have a context, but I need to the shapes are not available here. Okay, so what I need to do is then I can change the layout to titles only. Okay, so this is now blank. I can click on the insert, click on the shapes, and I can click on the triangle. So I can do something like that. Okay, I can make it a center. Now in this shape I need text boxes. So I have a text box here. I can click on that. I can say superior tour. Okay, I can use that. Now I can add another one. I can say reasonable price. Now I can go up there and I can say, okay, excellent guide. And in the middle, I can say, Denali Land Tour, DTL or DLT. Let's see. DLT, Denali Land Tour. Okay, now I have to format this text, So what I need to do is I can click like that. When you're moving like this is very precisely you can go, but you can press the shift button and then you will see it's jumping. You see that? It's jumping now. It's jumping maybe 15 degrees. But if you want a precise, remove the shift, just click and drag, move like that. Now I can try on this one. I can do the same thing. I can use the arrow key to move it close or far. Now I want to flip this shape, this shape, I want to flip it. So I can go to the format, I can go to the rotate, and I can say click on the flip. You see that? Now, another thing is, by the way, if by mistake you selected this one and you say rotate and you also did the flip, you see that? This one is also flipped. We don't need that. So, and by the way, if you by mistake, if you made a flip, you cannot reverse it unless you go back again and you say flip it back. Okay, this is another. So I can click on excellent like this. I can click on the reasonable price, maybe like this is okay. Top to bottom, I can easily read. And this part, I can bring it top. I can change the color of this text. I can make it red. No, it doesn't look nice. I can go for the white. I can change the size of the font like that, So depend on you. Control E, you can make it a center like that. So this is how you can format the text box and the image. So let's go to the slide number, next slide. So we did the flip, okay? We made the formatting, the text. That's it for today. In the next lecture, inshallah, we'll be talking about slide master. We'll be working on the smart arts. We'll be working on animation, on graphics, and then we'll be talking about inserting a header on the handout and the notes page. So that's it for today. Kafara majlis. Subhanallah wa bihamdihi. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika. Nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.